On this millennial review, we're going to be checking out this desktop laptop stand. This works up to 15.8-inch laptops. It's got some pretty interesting setup to it, and we're going to pop it out of the package and see just how well it does holding up my 14-inch laptop. So this is available on Amazon, and if it's any good, I'll make sure to link it down in the description below. But let's go ahead and pull this open. So it looks like it's got some pretty basic instructions here. Get that open. Yep, not too bad. And then what I really like about it is the aluminum look. This is how it looked on the Amazon listing. And this is going to be nice because it'll match up with the aluminum on my desk already. So we'll go ahead and take that out as well. And then it looks like there's just this bottom piece. So according to the instructions, it looks pretty simple. Basically what's going to happen here is right there, we're going to be able to take the notched end, and then this will just slide right together. And just like that, you can see that's connected up together. And now this is ready to take the weight of the laptop. So if we put this thing off to the side right there, should be able to take my laptop, throw it right on top, and now that's up and out of the way, ready to be worked on, be able to type. But more importantly, I'm holding the camera at eye level, and now I can see the computer straight from eye level, which should reduce strain while working on your desk. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. This being made out of aluminum seems pretty nice quality. It was easy to get installed together. So this Nulaxy, I guess is how you'd pronounce it, laptop stand is a pretty dang nice stand for very, very little money. Well, anyways, hit that subscribe button. See you again here soon.